and happy Purim! The Jewish holiday Purim is upon us, and in celebration of this lively holiday, I thought I'd share with you some Yiddish words relating to it. Without further ado, here they are! Peerim. Peerim. This is how the name of this holiday is pronounced in Yiddish. Gelt. Gelt. Money. There is a special commandment from the Torah to give money to the poor on this day, although most often the ones walking away with a profit after the parties are the children. A Seeda. A Seeda. A meal. A big feast is eaten on the first night, during the day, and on the second night. Vahn. Vahn. Wine. It is customary to drink alcohol on this holiday. Veidel. Veidel. A tale. King Ahasuerus of Persia called his queen down to show her off at one of his many parties, but she refused because as she'd treated her Jewish servants so evil, God had punished her and made her get spots all over her body, as well as a tail. Keinigen. Keinigen. A queen. The hero of the story is Queen Esther of Persia. She was a Jewish girl chosen by King Ahasuerus after he'd sentenced his wife, Queen Vashti, to death while drunk and regretted it. Haman Tashen. Haman Tashen. A triangular-shaped pastry typically eaten on Purim. Tash means pocket because the dessert resembles a pocket filled with jam. It is named after King Ahasuerus' advisor Haman, who convinced the king to sentence the Jews to death. It is said that the hat he wore had 3 points, so the triangular-shaped dessert resembles that. A Goirel. A Goirel. A raffle. To pick the day that the Jews would be executed, Haman threw a raffle, and the 14th of Adar was drawn. To this day, we celebrate on that day. It usually falls out in February or March on the Gregorian calendar. Gragger. Gragger. A rattle. When the Megillah, the scroll with the story of Purim, is read, it is customary to make a lot of noise to erase Haman's name every time it is said. Children will often use rattles like these, but many will just stamp on the floor or bang on the table. Freilich. Freilich. Happy. It is a commandment of the Torah to be joyful on this day. Mishloach manos. Mishloach manos. A gift basket with food items given to your friends and family on Purim. Zeech farshtellen. Zeech farshtellen. To dress up in costumes. The reason we dress up on Purim is because of the strong opposites theme that Purim carries. The gallows that was built to hang the righteous Mordechai ended up hanging Haman instead. So we dress up to be the opposite of who we usually are. Verbring. Verbring. A celebration or party. Since this holiday is a celebration of the Jews being saved from mass execution, parties are thrown to celebrate our survival and God that saved us. Fish. 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 Customary to eat fish on Purim as the mazel of the month, the lucky symbol related to the biblical version of the zodiacs, is a fish. That's it for today. I hope you learned some great new Yiddish vocabulary and maybe a fact or two about why we celebrate on this day. Have a great Purim and tak für die Dag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen.